कि वक्त नूर को बेनूर कर देता है, हंसने वालों को रोने पर भी मजबूर कर देता है। कौन चाहता है अपनों से दूर जाना, लेकिन वक्त सबको मजबूर कर देता है।
Everybody want, like, love, adore, money. Everyone running behind money. Doctor, कुछ नया करना पड़ता है। पैसा अपने आप उड़ के आएगा। अपने आप उड़ के आएगा।
Welcome back on English by Hafiz.
Spoken practice.
Tell me guys, are you excited to deliver the lecture here on the podium on the dais? Are you excited? The things which you require here, this is your confidence. If your mind is set, set your mind, come and deliver the lecture. Right? I would like to start today's session. Quote by prosperous, generous, munificent, resilient, entrepreneur person, Mr. Ratan Tata. Quote: None can destroy iron but its own rust can. None can destroy iron but its own rust can. Likewise, none can destroy a person but his own mindset can. Ladies and gentlemen, do you understand what is mean of these quote, these sentences? Really, which is narrated richest man of the India. Really, he is highly entrepreneur and prosperous, generous, munificent, resilient, scrupulous, social reformer, Mr. Ratan Tata. Actually, unfortunately, he is not present in this world. But his work, his achievement, his sacrifices, his work, people is still memorizing, people is still revising, people is still recalling, people is still people is still respecting, saluting his work, because he did a great achievement, he did a great work today's world in our country, So guys, one by one here you have to come simultaneously, spontaneously. You have to put whatever you have experienced in your mind. You have to choose any one topic. Now start. So I invite first candidate. Please put your hand together for Mr. Rishabh Vishwakarma. Please come on the podium. Please put your hand together, ladies and gentlemen, for Mr. Rishabh Vishwakarma. Give a wonderful applause. Hello, good evening everyone.
Hello, good evening everyone.
Hello, good evening everyone.
Hello, good evening everyone.
आगे चलिए.
Today is Extended Priority class.
Good. My point
is that.
My point is that.
My point is that. Time. Time is a very important in our life. Time is a very, very, very useful in our life.
Without time, nothing exists in this world. In this universe. Good. Ladies and gentlemen. Time is gold. Iron. Time is diamond. Time is better than diamond and gold. This is your time. You can make lots of diamond and gold by utilizing your time. टाइम इज अ ग्रेट हीलर. थैंक यू वेरी मच. और बोलो नेक्स्ट. प्लीज गिव अ वंडरफुल applause, admiration, appreciation for Mr. Ahmed. Please come on the podium. Please give a wonderful applause, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. Everybody silent.
कि वक्त नूर को बेनूर कर देता है, हंसने वालों को रोने पर भी मजबूर कर देता है. कौन चाहता है अपनों से दूर जाना, लेकिन वक्त सबको मजबूर कर देता है. Hello, hi, respected sir and ma'am and dear audience, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamu alaikum, good evening to all of you. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak here. Well, today is exemplary class and my beautiful topic is money.
मनी. राइट, वेरी गुड. अगर पैसा है तो सब पूछते हैं भाई तू कैसा है. अगर पैसा है तो सब पूछते हैं भाई तू कैसा है. हो जाओगे कंगाल, कोई नहीं पूछेगा तुम्हारा हाल. Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
today time, today world, money is king. Money is power of human being. Money is everything right now. If you have money, you have everything. If you have money, you have power. You have authority. You have facilities, luxurious, lavish, car, life, property, and lifestyle. Every branch you have. If you have money. Today class. Today class. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you how can you accumulate lots of money. This is question. Everybody want, like, love, adore money. Everyone running behind money. Doctor. Everyone want money. Want money. First number doctor. He wants only money. He wants only money. If you are problem, if you have disease, illness, now go hospital. You become kangal. You become pauper. You become poor. Ladies and gentlemen, this time everyone respect value. हाँ बोलो अपने से. Respect value money power. If you have money, people judge you. People respect you. People talk you. People value you. Today time people are measured on the basis of money. The more you have money, the more you have power. The more you have money, the more you have fame. The more you have money, the more you have respect. The more you have money, the more you have property, health, everything. My dear friends, you should know that how can we earn money. पैसा कैसे बनाया जा सकता है, कहाँ से बनाया जा सकता है. This is the rational, vital, crucial, essential point we must know about it. Do you know
Do you know
what are
what are
resources medium of earning
earning
lots of money?
lots of money?
This is your skill,
your skill,
your talent,
your achievement,
your dream,
your dream,
your ambition.
your ambitious.
My dear friends,
My dear friends,
if you
achieve
your goal, success, dream, automatic, you open door of money. If you become huge, enormous, paramount, entrepreneur, you have money. You have money.
You have
If
money.
you have fame,
If you have fame,
you have money.
you have money.
Any areas,
If
you are mastermind, skill, you can earn money. Don't be labor. Don't be labor. आपको जानना चाहिए, you must know that
You must know that
पैसा के पीछे भागने से पैसा नहीं मिलता,
पैसे के पीछे भागकर पैसा नहीं मिलता,
स्किल को डेवलप करना
स्किल को
पड़ता
डेवलप
है,
करना पड़ता है,
फेम
और
कुछ नया करना
कुछ
पड़ता
नया
है।
करना पड़ता है।
पैसा अपने आप उड़ के आएगा,
पैसा अपने आप उड़ के आएगा।
अपने आप उड़ के आएगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच।